Good morning. I'm literally about to leave to head home to Wisconsin in about 10 minutes. It is 6:20 right now, and I need to be to the airport by like 8, and I have to get on a train to get to the airport and all that fun stuff. So heading out here soon, and we're gonna be going home. It is Saturday, and I'll be staying home until Wednesday morning. So I'll be back in New York Wednesday afternoon / early evening. But I just thought I would take you guys with me and do a little vlog of what I'm doing while I'm home. I think it's gonna be pretty chill, relaxed visit home. So I'm excited to be able to see my family and stuff, but like flying is not the most fun. It's so boring to me. Anyways, let's go. Alright, hello there and welcome back to another video. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Lainey, and today's video is going to be a vlog of what I did while I was home over break for a few days in between semesters, starting with lunch when I got home and going thrifting with my parents for a little bit before going to grab some groceries. I finally made it home. The lighting here is terrible. Oh my god. I finally made it home, and now my mom and I are going to get groceries. I have a bubbler. This is the Triple Berry Breezer. I can't find these anywhere in New York, so all right, I'm going to get groceries. Okay, so Sunday morning when I got up, I decided that I wanted to make myself a cold brew, kind of like a shaken espresso cold brew kind of drink. I really enjoy when I go home. I get these pre-packaged cold brew cans and I use half of it each time that I make the drink, and then I also do a 1/4 cup of almond milk and a 1/4 cup of this Superfoods protein coffee in the cinnamon roll flavor. I blend the milk and that flavored coffee together, and then I pour it over the cold brew, and it is literally so good. I don't know what about it I love so much, but I'm just obsessed with it, and I have it every time I come home. The cold brew that I get, I can only find it in Wisconsin, and it is so good when I'm there. Like, I truly do enjoy it. So I just took that into my room while I sat down and did some morning journaling. I also did read my book that morning, but was just taking some time to be by myself, be present, check in with how I was feeling before getting into my day. I have my dinner. It's savory oats with an egg, cottage cheese, and then like a Mediterranean inspired salad with balsamic vinegar, or balsamic glaze, I mean. Oh, it's good. This is very good. I've got cottage cheese in there, tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, spinach. I also put some nutritional yeast on top. So I very last minute decided that I want to go to the gym. I miss lifting, and I've felt very unenergized the past couple of days, and I think it's because I haven't gone in over a week now. I'm gonna hit legs this morning, and I'm going to my home gym I'm really excited about. So I'm gonna get ready in 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go to the gym. I think I mentioned this before I got changed, but I'm hitting legs at the gym today. My mom's going with me too. She's just getting her stuff really quick. I'm drinking another bubbler, the triple berry breezer one. I really like this one. The pomegranate acai one, the cherry guava nectar, I think that's what it's called. Cherry guava blender, something like that. And the tropical island breeze. Those are probably my top picks if you can find bubbler and want to try it. I'm really excited. I have been itching to lift in the gym like the past couple days. I've realized that my energy levels have just been like lower since I haven't been going to the gym, and I'm like, I definitely want to go. And it makes me realize that I really enjoy lifting for things more than just like physical looks and things like that, which I always, not always, but I knew at least for the past couple months, like at least since probably like August, that really has been the focus for me. Like not the way that I look, but like the way that I feel, and like being able to become in tune with my body and like listening to it more when it needs rest, and like being open to taking time off and doing other forms of movement and things like that. But at the end of the day, lifting weights at the gym is really what brings me joy, what releases endorphins for me and like makes me happiest. So it just feels really good to know that like I'm this excited to go back. Like this is how you know that you have found the movement for you, when you get excited about it like this, like when you have to take some time off from it, whether that's because you're having a really busy week and you just can't prioritize it at that time, or, you know, maybe an injury or you're sick, anything like that. When it's time for you to be able to go back to it, it should feel good. Like it shouldn't feel like you dread it. And also there are definitely times where like I'll take a week off from the gym because I'm on vacation or something, and then I'm like, oh God, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get back into the gym. Like I will, but like I'm a little bit like, oh, that kind of sounds like a lot of work. And then as soon as I get started back into it, it feels really good again. So that just makes me really happy that I'm able to like realize how different my relationship with the gym is now, and how it's the meaning behind it and the reason behind it is a lot different than what it was when I started. And I'm just so grateful for that. Also, I'm really sorry. That was a bit of I'm not sorry for the ramble, but if you didn't come here to hear me ramble, I guess I'm sorry. But I just thought I would share that with you. Also, sorry the lighting is like absolutely terrible in here right now, but I'm in my garage waiting for my mom. So I'm playing passenger princess because I don't like driving. I'm a good driver, I am. But I have this problem where I like get really tired when I have to drive for some reason. Like I could knock out, like I have almost fallen asleep driving before. So any opportunity I have to not drive, I will ask my parents or like my brother or my friends know that I don't like driving, so they always offer to drive. So yeah. I'm back from the gym. I'm gonna make myself a coffee, and then I'm gonna get my breakfast, and eat that in the car on the way to an appointment for my hearing aids. Fun story, actually. Let me get my coffee first, then I'll tell you my story. Okay, my coffee now, so now I'm gonna tell you. So if you didn't know, I wear hearing aids, usually. Like, it's very hard for me to function without them because I suffer from hearing loss, or, you know, I have hearing loss. And basically, was it Friday night? No, Thursday night. I went to put my hearing aids. I take my hearing aids out when I go to sleep. So I took them out and I went to put them where I usually put them to stay while I'm sleeping. And it happens to be on a spot on my desk. And I happen to have a cup that had some melted ice in it from a drink I was having earlier that day. And I can't remember if it was water or coffee, but either way, the only thing that was left in the cup was the ice, and it had melted, so it made like a decent amount of water. And I missed the spot where I usually put my hearing aids, and I dropped it in the cup of water. Moral of the story is my hearing aids got dropped in water, and so I have an appointment today to go get them checked out and see what we can do about it. So I have gone Friday, Saturday, and Sunday without my hearing aids, and it has been challenging. It was my fault, so I'm just gonna roll with it and see what happens. I will keep you guys updated. And I'm gonna sip on my coffee, journal, and then we're gonna get headed to my appointment. And by we, I mean my mom and I. She's taking me. and then we're gonna go walk on State Street and walk by the water and stuff. So really quickly, on this day I decided that I wanted to show you everything that I got when I went thrifting. I went thrifting over a couple of days, but I just picked up a few things at each store that I went to. So I got a pair of pants, a couple of tops, mostly things in basic colors. I pretty much only wear neutrals and then like green and blue, sometimes orange. I found this really cool cargo skirt that's like a maxi length that I really like. It fit me really well. And then I also went to Urban Outfitters and I got this red dress and these black jeans. Okay, sorry, the lighting's gonna be terrible again. I don't know if I've said this yet, but I'm going to take a jazz class at my home studio, and I get to see a bunch of people that I used to dance with, and I get to see my old teachers, and I'm super excited. So I'm heading to do that. I'm just taking one class. My old studio owner wants me to talk a little bit about my experience so far at a performing arts school. I'm just really excited to see everyone and be able to take a class at my home studio, and I will let you guys know how it is. So I'm gonna head there now. Surprise, surprise, I'm back in a car. Sorry, you can see the dashboard. You can see the dashboard, but oh well. Anyways, I am in the car again because I have a bunch of appointments today. I'm going to see a GI specialist this morning for some gut issues I've been dealing with since I was literally a baby. I'm finally now trying to figure it out. I have therapy and I'm going to get my hair done. And my mom's coming. Anyways, that's what I'm doing today. Hopefully I'll be able to show you.